What's good, homie? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to get a girlfriend even when you're ugly. So basically I'm a professional at this, I know exactly what I'm doing, so you don't have to worry anymore. This is how it's been for you, right? Should sound familiar. You've been trying to get a girlfriend for the past, I don't know, maybe 10 years, maybe 5 if you're younger, maybe even 3, maybe just 1, maybe just a few months, maybe just a few weeks, who knows? Depending on the person, it's all different for everyone. The important thing is, us men out there, us dudes out there, us guys out there, we all need a girlfriend, don't we? And that's what I'm here for today. I'm gonna teach you how to get a girlfriend even when you're ugly. See, ugly guys, yeah, we have a hard rap, but that doesn't mean you can't still get a girlfriend. Today I'm going to be teaching you 9 simple steps on how to get a girlfriend. Alright, right here I have a book. This is the book on how to do everything, written by yours truly. So basically, the first tutorial in this book, how to get a girlfriend even if you're ugly. Do you want to know how to? Because I know I do. I already know. I think it should be a testament to how well this technique works, because in the past 4 months I've had 10 girlfriends. Follow these steps, it can be the same for you. We're going to start off with number 1. Be really charming, but don't be too nice. Nice guys have a bad rap. That's just simple facts right there. The problem is, nice guys aren't direct enough. So you want to be respectful to women, right? But you don't want to make them think that you're their brother, because that's just weird. You don't want to be dating your brother. Don't be too nice. Say the girl comes by, she doesn't say hi to you because you're ugly, right? I know how it is, trust me. So you have to say hi to her, but how do you introduce yourself, right? The thing is, it's as simple as this. You don't say hi, like you're trying to stumble on your words or you're trying to be cute or something. You don't just say hi to her. You say, with confidence, hey, I'm insert name here. You may think I'm ugly, but I think you're amazing. Would you like to go out with me? You say exactly like that, but put your name in it instead of saying insert name here, of course. It works every single time. Every single time. It's worked for me. So now we're gonna move on to step 2. You wanna become friends first. I know I just said you should ask her out right when you meet her, right? So if that doesn't work out, you want to become friends with her. If she says, oh no, sorry, I have a boyfriend, you'd be like, oh, you want to be friends then? She'll of course say yes, because you're direct to the point, no BS, just get straight to it. People admire that. So when you become friends, you want to make sure one thing. Step number 3, be super duper good at something. For instance, I am extremely well at playing the ukulele and singing. Let me play this piece for you. It's a song I wrote called Girl. Simple, to the point. Now, say you can't play an instrument or sing. Here's the thing. A lot of ugly guys are really good gamers. And that's statistics. For instance, I love playing me some Mario Kart 7 on the 3DS. Check this out. Oh yeah. Boom. Check that out. Check out these drifting skills. Woo. Boom. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Oh yeah, look at that. Easy as treasy. Boom. Look at that. So yeah, I think it's safe to say I'm very good at that game, but that doesn't mean you can be too. So just be good at some game or something, or an instrument, something that will impress the person that you like, and they will soon enough like you too. But only after you finish these next steps. Step number 4, don't be yourself. I know you hear it all the time. Be yourself, be yourself. People will like you for who you are. The truth is, us ugly guys, no one likes us. No matter how much we try to be ourselves. What if we're just boring people? Well, just pretend you're someone else. How do you do that, you may ask? This is where it gets really deep. If you don't want to be yourself, why were you yourself in the first place? Take that one to heart. Just think about it for a second. If you want to change yourself, you should. Now, some people might get angry when I say this, but it's the truth. If you don't like yourself, change yourself. That's how you get the girl. Even if you don't get the girl, at least you'll be the person you want to be at the end of the day. Alright, step number 5. If you really like to be yourself after you become friends with your girl. Now, if you're just putting on a show until you become friends with her, or you start dating, then sure, you could be yourself again, and maybe she'll just get used to it, but don't be surprised if she breaks up with you. Number 6, smell good. It's as simple as buying something at Bath & Body Works, spraying yourself, and being ready for romance. If you smell good, it doesn't matter how ugly you are. People want to be around you, and that's statistics. Alright, step number 7. You want to have soft lips. So you want to put on chapstick, like so. You're ready to go. Okay, we're on step number 8, second to last step. Avoid the friend zone. How do you do this? It's as simple as this. As soon as you meet her, tell her straight up, I'm not looking to be friends. I'm looking to be boyfriends. When she's finally ready to date you, you want to follow step number 9. Final step. Don't get too attached. Now here's the problem, guys. And girls, you could take my advice as the opposite if you're a girl. The thing is, you don't want to get too attached. Because what if they break up with you? That would be sad, right? You would be devastated. But if you're not too attached, it doesn't matter if she breaks up with you. And that's how you be a real man. Don't get sad when your girlfriend breaks up with you. Here's the thing. If you get too attached, she breaks up with you, you'll never be the same again. So do what's right and get your girl. Thanks for watching.
I thought I would have to be in a dream, fast asleep, well asleep.